Today we made this beautiful chili bean fried fish. It is a recipe that's absolutely stunning, and I'm not just saying it because I tried it and I liked it, but also, guess what? Mom is back. Back again. Back again. Back again. Yeah! Alright guys, so Mom has made 2 dishes, and this is the last time she's going to be on it before she goes back and will not be back for maybe about 9 more months. Okay, let's go. Alright, so here I have a beautiful red snapper. Score the fish, season the fish with some salt. Because we're going to be deep frying this fish, I'm adding in some cornstarch. This cornstarch will help dry up the surface of the fish and prevent it from splattering around. Oil, check if it's nice and hot. That sounds good.
So it will not splatter, I must stand near it.
Oh, don't test it though. Okay, now fish goes in. Now we're going to start preparing the aromatics. 8 cloves of garlic. I'm not sure if you guys know about my story. Mom used to make us peel loads and loads of garlic and onion for her restaurant. We didn't know the existence of child social care. If not, we would have made that call. Just joking.
Get around me. You make me use my new product bag. You better watch your tone when you talk to me, or I turn you into Maggie Me.
So now you regret?
No, I don't regret.
Okay.
Mom, can you help me slice that, please? Alright, some red chilies, Mom. Here is a good maybe 40 to 50 grams of ginger. So now, for this fish, I didn't touch the fish. You want to make sure that you've got this beautiful, nice crust form before you start touching the fish or moving it around. Now, once your fish is nice and cooked, we can remove it, and this is the important part, where you place it on a wire rack. Now, when you place it on a wire rack, your fish is going to stay nice and crisp. So oil goes in, and we're going in with the ginger. So now, these are some other condiments. I've got 1/4 cup pitted black olives. Ginger, you can see it's starting to turn color. I'm adding in the garlic and the shallots. Here I have some salted black beans. Put that in. And here I have chili bean paste. And what we want to do is fry it off until it gets nice and fragrant. Now, we're going in with about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now, we're going in with water. And I'm also going in with some kombucha. Now, I've got about a tablespoon of tapioca starch. Mom, you can help me do the honors of stirring. Add in about 2 tablespoons of Chinese black vinegar. And of course, we're going to balance that out with sugar. Sliced up red chilies goes in. Olives. To add the aroma of this dish, I'm going to be adding in some spring onion. So I'm using both the white parts and the green. Your spring onion goes in. Get your beautiful fried fish on top of a nice plate. Alright, there we go. And
Wow.
oh, look at that.
Yeah, looks so good.
And lastly, fresh garnish with coriander and more chili. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the spicy bean paste fried fish. For all the fish dishes you've cooked me,
You give me a bone like that.
oh, I'm so sorry, man.
You want to kill me?
If you ever do that again, I'm gonna kill your parents, and I know where they live. What did he say?
I must say the juggling between salt, sugar and vinegar is good. It's balanced. That is most important. You don't want to be too sweet, you don't want to be too sour or too salty. So it's just correct balancing. Good.
That's right. Kita ni hidup kena ada wan mangsa. Untuk apa? Untuk jadi yang terbaik.
It is an honor when your mom enjoys your cooking. Thank you very much, Mom. And guys, I hope you give this recipe a try. It's delicious. It is spicy, savory, slightly acidic, balanced up with that nice sweetness, and the sweetness of the fish contrasting with the savouriness of the olives. It's absolutely delicious. This with some hot rice, a nice fried egg, and your meal is sorted. Final words for those people that have been requesting for you for so long. Come, don't stand so far away, stand nearer.
I hope everyone enjoyed, and do give it a try and let us know your comments.
Yeah, but any final words for those of them who have been asking about you and missing you?
Do miss me again, huh?
I'm sure they will miss you more. I hope you've enjoyed this content. We miss cooking together. Well, I know I do miss cooking together with Mum. I don't get to see her very often these days because she lives abroad. So every opportunity we get, now that she's back for a little while, we managed to cook 3 dishes together.
Yeah, I had fun today. It's a nice day today.
So I hope you guys enjoy it. Give it a try and let us know in the comment section. Ciao. Peace, guys.